Welcome. It's not as great of a day to be a miner. Let's just get into it. Spin that intro. Welcome. I think it is only fitting that my 100th video also be my final video. So the big question that you all want to know is why altered? Why are you quitting after 5 years of mining? I would love to say that it's this or that or one specific thing, but the reality is it's a number of things. And I guess I owe it to you to go ahead and lay it all out. So let's do that. Recently, I have had a number of pitfalls. I've had a number of failed build videos lately, and I've had issues where parts have failed. I've had countless hours of troubleshooting, getting rigs running. I fried a motherboard, I fried a CPU, I've had to RMA a couple of GPUs. I did one just a couple weeks ago through EVGA. Just the overall maintenance of mining is really starting to get to wear on me. When it comes to wearing on me, the GPU part hunt, it's become overwhelming. It's been such a big part of my life. I've spent countless hours watching drops, Discord price alerts, comparing the market data. It's kind of taken over. It's become quite exhausting. Speaking of exhausting, summer is coming. I've already been feeling the heat in my mining cave, and it's only gonna get worse. It's only gonna ramp up. It was only 81 outside and already 83 degrees in my office the other day. It's gonna be a hot summer. It's gonna hurt. Also, there has been a number of other defeating aspects lately. I've encountered some toxicity within some members of the mining community as of late. Whereas I have always boasted about the love and the support of the mining community, there are bad actors. There are negative people out there that just want to bring others down. Speaking of bringing me down, I just finished my taxes. It was a huge struggle, quite costly, quite time consuming. I wanted to make sure that I was 100% legit in all of my filings. I'd rather pay more now and be on the up and up than deal with the later consequences. To piggyback on the cost issue, my electric, it keeps going up. It's been a struggle to keep up with the hardware buying and just the normal expenses associated with mining lately. One of the biggest aspects in my decision to quit mining, it's the time. I sink so much time, so much of myself into this, and I'm just not sure that I'm actually getting enough back out of it anymore. And with all this, I just want to say thank you. I want to say thank you to all the cool people that have helped, inspired, and motivated me along my mining journey. There's just too many to list, and I apologize if I miss anyone or leave anyone out. Early on, users, content creators like Voskcoin and Brandon Coin, and the technicals, they were all really big influences. I wanted to thank hashraptor and Red Panda. These guys have been great for the community and continue to be a large piece here. I want to say thank you to my man Hezlo, ChumpChange, Pocketchange, Red Fox Crypto, Jtrav, Hobbyist Miner, Mad Electron Engineering, Tekshinji, the great Baldini, SerpentX, Teaspoon Miner, Mining Chamber. And again, if I forgot anyone, if I missed anyone, I apologize as I continue to ramble on. Most importantly, I want to thank the community that has supported me along this journey. Exit, so I really haven't came up with a full exit plan yet, or what I'm gonna do with all the hardware and whatnot. But I guess I have plenty of time to really think about that as I move along and try to get out from under this. Before we close out, I want to end with one very important last thought. It has been a great journey with lots of ups and downs, twists and turns, but at the end of the day, it's all come down to this. I am Altered Component, and this has been one twisted, belated April Fool's Day, baby! I'm not quitting. I love mining, I love the community, and I love everything about it. Let's go ahead and cut to that outro. Well, there you have it. You know I'm not done mining. You know I love mining. I'm going to keep on mining. I'm going to keep on grinding. I'm going to keep on producing the best content I can for you and for the mining community. If you need any assistance, make sure to join the Misfit Mining Discord. There's always plenty of seasoned vets in there willing to help you out. If you like the video, you know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe for future content. Thanks for coming along and enjoy the ride. Pew!